Hey guys, you've got to try this recipe of baked tandoori salmon, which is absolutely delicious. Start by making the marinade first. 2 tablespoons of any extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or any red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger or ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix all this well to form a marinade. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, put lemon slices on the bottom and then place your salmon fillets on top. Pour this marinade all over the salmon fillet. You can make slight cuts on top of the salmon fillet so that all the marinade seeps through. Now we are going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then put it under broil for another 2 minutes until you get this crusty, nice, crust on top, but the salmon is still very soft and moist inside. Do try this baked tandoori salmon that you can eat with any salad on the side or with a side of rice or cauliflower rice.